Hello, sweetheart. Hi, baby. She's so shy. You're so shy, baby.
Damn it. What in the world?
Why are you wiggling so much? You're so cute. Yes. Hello.
She's like not like that with anyone else.
You're so silly. You're so silly.
Got him with little earbuds and all.
Oh my goodness.
Hello.
So fluffy. Yes. Oh, I gotta go get him so y'all can leave. So y'all can leave. We need to have him talk.
Yes. Bruce Roller, yes.
So busy.
So busy. I do have premium wheels, but not 19 inches. I do have the sport pack.
Got a lot of stuff in today. And more puppies. Hi. Puppies everywhere. Hello, sweetie. Hi.
Hey guys, Nick here from Wrap Your Ride San Antonio. As usual, got some fun projects in the shop today. We have a C8 Corvette getting powder coated wheels. If anybody can guess what car these came from, we have a gift coming up. $50 gift card if anybody can guess what the vehicle this came from in the comments, okay?
Love it.
These here are going for powder coat as well. We have a huge contract with Rhino Roofers. Guys, we don't only customize cars, we work on commercial graphics, things like that, business design, business implementation, SEO for our clients. This right here is the best money you can spend for advertising. Okay, impactful, you get organic views, and of course you want your business looking beautiful and branded, right? You can't put a yard sign in everybody's yard in HOAs, but they can't tell you to not drive a wrapped vehicle. So Rhino Roofers, this is a commercial account. They usually bring us about 30 to 40 trucks a year. So these powder coated wheels, partial wraps on them, and of course window tint. Kia Telluride, brand spanking new Kia Telluride, beautiful guys. This one's getting matte paint protection film, just like the Overfinch got. The Mustang is something I've really wanted to be showing you, so come on and take a look at this one. This one we did about a wrap 4 to 5 years ago that went pretty viral, the same exact film. Of course, this is a highly requested film from this young lady, and she's going to be ecstatic when she gets it. It's immaculate finishes. Take a look at the cornering. Everything's absolutely beautiful on the quality here. We absolutely do not cut any corners. There's no expenses spared when you do business with us. We're in an unregulated industry. Anybody that can buy material thinks they can wrap a car now. This is the NFL of wraps, guys. As you can tell, we don't take any jokes about it. Everything here is absolutely beautiful. Our clients are treated like queens and kings. We wait on them hand and foot. Customer service is outstanding. And we happen to be the highest rated and reviewed company in South Texas for a reason. We take this very serious, guys. As you can tell, she's going to be extremely ecstatic when she gets this. Who wouldn't be ecstatic? Look at this. Color shifting,
so
satin chameleon. I got an extra gift for you today, okay? Look at that. Audi e-tron GT. I don't know. Is it an avocado? Is it a lime? I don't know, but we're not keeping that color. The client has picked a color that we're going to wrap on that one. You guys will see that in a couple of episodes coming up soon, okay? Got some other cool stuff, but stay tuned, guys. This is only the kickoff. We're kind of having our little rebirth back into YouTube. Again, we focus mainly on business here, guys. This fun stuff and kind of showing you behind the scenes and everything, it really does pale in comparison to what we do here. This is, you know, really for you guys, just for your entertainment and enjoyment. And obviously, you know, hey, if you guys want to come and do business with us, you're more than welcome. But again, this is kind of a secondary to our day-to-day business. So, you know, sorry that we don't have as many episodes as everybody else, okay? One's literally hand cutting every Range Rover Overfinch emblem here. Better than Overfinch in London, England, okay?
Right.
I mean, we're bringing Leeds, UK over to San Antonio, Texas. And of course, our beast of an installer, Drew, getting that Kia emblem wrapped up right there. I mean, who else wraps emblems like that? Come on.
Handcrafted.
Handcrafted in San Antonio, Texas.
Beautiful.
Look at that. That's pure concentration. Master Tech. Over here, Gonzalo, too. Look at this. Shake it out for us, bro. Shake it out. Oh my gosh. Herbal essences. Herbal essence.
This Mustang is looking amazing. That color shift outside is just awesome. That purple to teal shift. Again, something you can get at Wrap Your Ride. Paint protection film and full wrap. Amazing.